ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗೋ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
Sir, can you clarify if the 2.5 years agreement is there or not?
No, whatever High Tells.
So, but is there agreement? The agreement is there 2.5 years or not?
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Whatever High Tells, you will obey.
Sir, at least
You understood it or not?
No, I agree.
This is my reply to your question.
No, sir, status quo till
ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿ.
See, we go together. There are no differences between me and D.K. Shivakumar. We face the election, assembly. We have worked out a strategy how to face the BJP and JDS, and you will face it.
ವಚನ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
I don't know. They are telling that no confidence. It will also face it. Or adjournment motion, if they want to bring, whatever discussions they